Funk upon a good time in fries and shake land. A cook waits for his newfound love, but the boss had other plans.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?
You look marvelous. Last night when I was running game, I said, baby, again I got your cake. Oh, can I have it my way? Don't I deserve a break today? Them buns, I like the way you bake. Running fever at 110.
Just for me, a whopper. They sure to set us fire. You gonna let me make nothing and know the kiss. I said I'll take it to let have this. Please don't fry. Don't fry for that shake. Fries for that shake. Don't fry for that shake. Fries for that shake. Don't fry for that shake. Fries for that shake. Don't fry for that shake.
I'm a fast food junkie and I need a fix. Without your sugar, I'm gonna be sick, so don't try it. Oh, this calorie free and nutri-sweet. The love of you has gotten me on a diet. Oh, don't fry for that shake.
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 Don't fry go with that shake.
Don't fry for that shake.
Don't fry for that shake.
Don't fry for that shake.
Of the beef, 1/4 pound of chicken feet.
That whopper, that short is fry.
Don't fry, go with that shake.